It's Mark Wiens here in Bangkok, Thailand, and today I am hanging out with my buddy Dwight Turner, who is the founder of In Search of Sanuk, which is a charity organization here in Bangkok, which helps underprivileged families. Dwight's latest project is called Courageous Kitchen, where he, along with the help of some others, provide cooking classes to disadvantaged kids and teens. Not only do the kids learn about ingredients, recipes, and kitchen safety, but they also gain life skills like how to make plans, follow directions, and learn about proper nutrition. It was also pretty awesome to hear that they had watched a few of my Thai recipe videos on YouTube and had already made a couple of the same dishes. Dwight first gave them some money, and after planning out the ingredients they needed, we headed off to the market to buy everything. When we got home, the kids got straight to work, some of them preparing a refreshing watermelon passion fruit juice, and others began chopping up the chilies and garlic and washing the basil for the main dish. It didn't take long for the delicious aroma of stir-frying pork and garlic to fill the room, along with lots of excitement and fun. It was great to see this group of kids, who all come from backgrounds of disadvantaged families, working together as a team to prepare dinner, building their self-confidence, and learning life skills in the process. Dwight is doing a great job of helping make a difference in their lives. Oh, I think they did an awesome job. It's been awesome hanging out with the kids today and helping them cook and also eating the food they've cooked. They also tried to imitate my delicious food face. But anyway, Dwight is doing some really awesome projects in Bangkok, and I fully support what he is doing with the kids and with other underprivileged families in Bangkok. And I would encourage you to get involved, maybe make a donation to one of his projects, even buy a meal for one of the kids or for one of the families Dwight is working with. I'll leave all of the information below this video, and you can click that link. Go check out what Dwight is doing in Bangkok. He's got some awesome projects going on. And he is connecting food with people, which I just think is the greatest connection ever. So go check out his project now. He is connecting food with helping other people, which I think is the awesomest coalition. Wait, let me say that one more time. I think that